The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with India to International and make your NDMS and MBBS dreams come true.
To all the doctors. I welcome you back to our channel India to International. Uh, Thank you for trusting us. As you can see it on your screen, the video is about National Medical Commission's webinar, which was conducted today afternoon. And these are the highlights we'll go through. Uh, what is the objective of next one? They have said that they want nationwide delivery of quality doctors, and it will be an MCQ based papers with three different difficulty levels, which we are gonna see ahead in the slide. Now, these are like distribution of items and knowledge level of questions. Okay, the knowledge level difficulty keeps on increasing. The problem solving and analytical skill types. The NMC expects everybody who wants to practice modern medicine in India should know this. Okay, and then the difficulty increases like with comprehension type questions. The difficulty level will be around 70%, and the recall type questions, the difficulty will be around 90 to 95%, and they expect doctors may know uh, these type of questions, and the recall based questions will be right from year 1 to the final exam you have been appearing, that is next one. So the difficulty level will not be very high for 60% of your question paper. This is a very good news, where it will be like clinical skills what you have gone through. Now, moving ahead with the next one, papers, distribution, and marks. If you have followed us and if you have watched our video which we posted in month of January, we had already indicated that medicine and allied subjects, medicine will be coupled with pediatric, and pediatric questions will be 60 MCQs. Medicine will be having 120 MCQs. Surgery allied subjects again 120 MCQs. It will be coupled with ENT with 60 number of MCQs, as well as obs gynae examination will be coupled with opthal, which will be having 60 MCQs, whereas obs gynae we can see 120 MCQs. The duration for medicine surgery obs gynae will be 3 hours question, which will be a pre-lunch questions paper, and pediatrics ENT opthal will be a 1.5 hour paper, which will be post lunch, what we expect. And moving ahead with the proposed time schedule, as we said, medicine 3 hours, then there will be a 2 hour break, probably for lunch, and then you will have to appear for pediatric for 1.5 hour. So it will be a 4.5 hour paper, uh, 4.5 hour paper daily. Daily, I mean to say, there will be it will be held on alternate days. There will be a rest day between examination. Okay, so on day one there will be medicine allied subjects coupled with pediatrics. Then there will be a rest day. Then it will be surgery allied subjects with ENT. On the third day, okay, and on the fifth day we'll be having obs gynae with opthal, respectively 3 hours and 1.5 hour paper. So this is proposed time schedule for the papers. Now next two will be completely next step two will be completely practical exam, and it will be of the respective universities responsibility to conduct these exams. NMC will notified a date for these examinations, and these are to be evaluated on the actual basis, on the actual clinical diagnosis or the patient examination or clinical decision making. And the subjects here would be more of medicine and allied subjects, surgery and allied subjects, obs gynae, pediatrics, opthal, ortho with PMR, that is physical medicine and rehabilitation, which is a very important factor in rural areas. And now each examination would be on actual cases, as said, It will be a OSCE based exam, that is objective structured clinical examination, and simulations if possible, if available. And the result awarded will be just pass or fail. There will be no grades or no marks for next two. Distribution of the subjects, as we have already seen. Now, the time schedule for the next two shall be decided by NMC, as I previously said, and it will be like the responsibility of the uh, universities, like the colleges affiliated to particular universities, and the institutions. The institutions here means the deemed universities. After the completion of the internship and prior to the admission of post graduation courses. Now, tentative time schedule for next examination and associated events. Now, next here will be conducted twice. They will try to bring that cycle into a yearly cycle, but right now what they have communicated is next step one, which is anticipated in month of May, and the result will be in first week of June. After completion, after getting your result, if you have qualified for next one, you can go for your practical examination, which will be held by the respective universities, and like the declaration of the results will be by last week of June or third week of June. And once you complete, once you qualify your practical examinations as well as with next one, you go for your temporary state registration and complete your internship. So probably your internship will be completed by uh, month of July, and then you can also appear. Uh, while completing your internship, you can appear for next two, which will be in third week of June. And if you appear next one in month of November, okay, so you automatically have to clear your university practical exam in month of December, and you start your internship by 1st of January. And the candidates will be completing their examination in month of June, practical examination of the university. They can commence their internship in July, and by June third week they can also appear for next year, that is July 2024, July 2025. If you qualify, uh, you complete your internship, you can pursue your next two. So next to they have also kept a supplementary type, which if you cannot clear in month of June, you have a chance to clear it in month of September. And if you're appearing next to in month of December, supplementary exam can be given in month of March. Post graduation admission, they have decided in month of May and June there will be a counseling, and by 30th of June there will be a result, and post graduation courses. Um, Post graduation courses are supposed to begin from first week of July or January. Now there shall be again the seats which are remaining in vacant in month of June will be carry forwarded in month of December, where you can opt for those seats. So right now, if this is confusing you, you can always get in touch with us. We can discuss it in details. And coming on to the conduction of mock test, the NMC wants to give you a feel, especially to 2019 batch. They want to give out a feel like how next one will be conducted. So they are planning to have a mock exam on 28th of July 2023, where the candidates will be registering from tomorrow, that is 28th of June, and the examination will be conducted by Ames Delhi. And the purpose of this examination is to make candidates familiarize with the computer-based test, and the sample questions will be like it will be like a practice paper, where they can see whether the exam can be conducted smoothly, and it will be a first time experience for the body aims as well as for NMC and for the students also. So they want to see that the exam can be conducted very smoothly. So this is a very good initiative, that the candidate will get a practice or a mock kind to appear in the exam, which is to be mock exam to be conducted in month of July. Okay, and the registration for the same begins from tomorrow. So I hope you have liked this video. I hope I was able to make you understand the concepts. And if there's any confusion, you can also watch a video which we posted in month of January. And thank you for trusting us. Thank you for watching this video till end. God bless you all. Happy thoughts. And I hope this video was useful. You may definitely like and subscribe for our channel. Thank you. God bless you all.